Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a customer email address that is missing from an order. This can happen when the order was placed without an email address or when the customer details were not saved properly. When the email address is missing, the customer may not get order updates, receipts, or other messages about their order. So in this video, I'll show you the simple steps you can follow to add the email address back and make sure the order has the correct customer details. Step 1. Open the order. First, go to your store dashboard and open the order that has the missing customer email address. Make sure you are opening the correct order. You can check the order number, customer name, order date, and the items inside the order. Take your time here because you do not want to change the wrong order. Once you are sure this is the right order, stay on the order page and look at the customer information section. Step 2. Check the customer details. Next, check the customer details on the order page. This is where you usually see the customer name, email address, phone number, and address. If the email address is missing, you may see an empty email area or you may only see the customer name and address. This means the email address is not connected to the order yet. Before you add anything, make sure you have the correct customer email address ready. Step 3. Go to Settings. Now, go to the Settings area of your store or order system. Go to the Checkout settings if your store has that option. The checkout page is where customers enter their name, address, phone number, and email address before placing an order. Look for the email option. If the email field is turned off, optional, or hidden, change it so customers are asked to enter their email address during checkout. If there is an option to make the email address required, turn that on. This way, customers must add their email before they can finish the order. Step 4. Save the settings. After you change the customer or checkout settings, make sure you save everything. Do not leave the page before saving. Look for a Save button, Update button, or Apply button. Click it and wait until the page confirms that your settings have been saved. Once it is saved, the store should now collect customer email addresses for new orders going forward. Now, go back to the order that has the missing customer email address. Open the order again and look at the customer details section. If your store allows you to edit the customer details from the order page, click Edit or Update. Then add the correct customer email address. Make sure the email is spelled correctly before saving it. Check for missing letters, wrong dots, or extra spaces. And that's how you fix a customer email address that is missing from an order, by checking the order and going through the settings. Just open the order, check the customer details, go to Settings, turn on Email Collection, save the changes, and add the missing email address back to the order. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.